Hi everyone, I'm Freddie, a student at Saginaw Valley State University. Today, we're going to go through the application portal so you know exactly what you need to prepare for the upcoming year. If you're applying through the Common App, check the email you used to apply to Common App for a message from SVSU with your application portal login. If you submitted an application through svsu.edu/apply, log into the portal with the SVSU application portal info you created to apply. The application portal is a space you can refer to for updates on your application and your next steps after your admissions decision is released. The navigation bar at the top allows you to jump to any section that you may need. Responding to your offer of admissions allows you to let us know whether you plan on attending or if you need to withdraw your application. You can go back and update this at any time. Update your application is where you can change your major, your start term, or other details on your application. Contact your rep or schedule a visit. Along the way, if you have any questions at all, see who your rep is, then email, call, or text them to ask any questions or set up an appointment. Step 1 is to activate your SVSU email and student profile or account. This is how you stay up to date with your SVSU info, including financial aid and class scheduling. You must complete this step in order to register for orientation and housing. Steps 2 through 4 are all related to financial aid. Before you complete your free application for federal student aid, or the FAFSA, you must first create your federal student aid account. In addition to completing your FAFSA, SVSU has more than 1,600 donor-funded scholarships you can apply for. You don't need to be committed to apply for private scholarships. Step 5 is one of the most crucial, so do not miss it. Orientation is how you commit to the university. Once you're ready to commit to SVSU, be sure to pay the orientation fee of $50. Once that's paid, you can come back to this portal step and there should be a calendar with available dates allowing you to register for orientation. Remember, it is required for all incoming students, and without it, you will not get a class schedule. Step 6 is optional. It's not required for students to live on campus, but if you plan to, get the application in as soon as possible because our #1 rated housing is first come, first serve. Always feel free to contact our housing office if you have any questions about the placement process. Step 7 is to submit your final high school transcript. After you've graduated from high school and your final transcript is ready, be sure to submit one final request for your counselor to send your transcripts to SVSU. Proof of graduation is required for both federal and state aid. Helpful information. This portion allows you to see your checklist. You can send updated info even if you have everything in and should always send in new scores or transcripts. Update your info if your email, phone number, or address changes or if you haven't submitted your social security number yet. That's how we link your FAFSA. You can see some FAQs as well as any upcoming events that may allow you to chat with professors or support offices like the Financial Services or Housing Office. As always, visiting a university is the best way to figure out if you can see yourself on that campus. Schedule a tour with us to get a feel for the university and ask any burning questions. We can't wait to see you on campus. Let's soar together.